Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn listening English with a story. Abraham Lincoln was one of the greatest presidents in American history. He is remembered for his leadership, honesty, and his efforts to bring equality to the United States. Here is his life story in simple words. Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809, in a small log cabin in Kentucky. His family was poor, and life was very hard. His parents were farmers, and they didn't have much money. His mother, Nancy, died when Abraham was only 9 years old. His father, Thomas, remarried, and Abraham's stepmother, Sarah, was kind to him and encouraged him to learn. As a child, Lincoln didn't have many opportunities to go to school. In fact, he had less than 1 year of formal education. However, he loved to read and taught himself many things by borrowing books from neighbors. He would read by the firelight at night because his family couldn't afford candles. When he grew older, Lincoln worked many jobs to help support his family. He worked as a farmhand, a store clerk, and even a rail splitter, cutting wood for fences. Later, he became interested in law and started studying on his own. In 1836, he passed the bar exam and became a lawyer. Lincoln also became interested in politics. In 1834, he was elected to the Illinois state legislature. He was a member of the Whig Party at the time and was known for his clear thinking and strong speaking skills. Later, he joined the new Republican Party, which opposed the spread of slavery. In 1842, Lincoln married Mary Todd, and they had 4 sons together. Sadly, only one of their children, Robert, lived to adulthood. Lincoln was a loving father who cared deeply for his family. In 1860, Lincoln ran for President of the United States. He believed that slavery was wrong and should not spread to new territories in the West. His election caused a lot of anger in the southern states, which depended on slavery for their economy. After Lincoln became the 16th president in 1861, several southern states left the Union and formed the Confederate States of America. This led to the Civil War, a terrible conflict between the northern states, Union, and the southern states, Confederacy. The war lasted from 1861 to 1865. Lincoln's leadership during this time was crucial. He worked tirelessly to keep the Union together and believed in the importance of freedom and equality. In 1863, Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation, which declared that all slaves in the Confederate States were free. This was a turning point in the war and in American history. Later, the 13th Amendment was passed, officially ending slavery in the United States. Lincoln is also remembered for his powerful speeches. One of his most famous speeches is the Gettysburg Address, delivered in 1863 at a battlefield in Pennsylvania. In this short but inspiring speech, he spoke about the importance of democracy and freedom, saying, "Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth." After 4 long years, the Civil War ended in 1865. Lincoln wanted to reunite the country and heal the wounds of war. He was focused on rebuilding the nation and bringing people together. Tragically, Lincoln's life was cut short. On April 14, 1865, just days after the war ended, he was shot by John Wilkes Booth, a supporter of the Confederacy, while attending a play at Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C. He died the next morning, becoming the first U.S. president to be assassinated. Abraham Lincoln's legacy lives on. He is remembered as a man of courage, wisdom, and compassion. He believed in equality and worked to create a better future for all Americans. His life story inspires people around the world to strive for justice and to never give up, even in the face of great challenges. Today, Lincoln's face is on the $5 bill, and the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. stands as a tribute to his incredible leadership and vision for a united and free America. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.